Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your operating system and that you have administrator access. This matters because permission changes require elevated rights. Once done, back up the folder, copy it to an external drive or archive so you can recover files if something goes wrong. Next, choose a strong password, at least 12 characters with upper, lower, digits, and symbols. Make sure you know the exact folder path and close apps using those files. Then proceed to the method for your OS. You now apply encryption or locking based on your platform. On Windows, enable BitLocker for drives or create an encrypted ZIP using AES 256 and a password. Check archive settings for maximum encryption. On Mac OS, open Disk Utility and create an encrypted disk image, choosing a sparse image if you want dynamic size. Mount it with your password when accessing files. On Linux, initialize a LUKS container with cryptsetup or you finish by testing access. Unmount and remount or reopen the archive to confirm the password is required and files open correctly. Then store the recovery key or password in a password manager or a physical safe. Without it, recovery can be impossible. If something goes wrong, check permissions first and ensure the key file or passphrase is correct. If that fails, restore the original backup you made earlier. One key troubleshooting tip. Mismatched character encoding or keyboard layout can cause apparent wrong passwords. Try alternate layouts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.